Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Embark on a journey of inspiration as we delve into the top 30 bedroom design concepts, each a testament to artistry and creativity that can transform your personal space from minimalist retreats to opulent centuries. The collection spans a diverse array of styles to cater to every taste, vintage, the marriage of functionality and aesthetics, as clever storage solutions seamlessly blend with captivating decor elements. Each design concept is a unique expression, offering a glimpse into the possibilities that exist beyond conventional bedroom layouts, whether it's the use of vibrant colors, innovative furniture arrangements, or the infusion of nature-inspired elements. These concepts refine the boundaries of bedroom design. Lighting takes center stage, casting the perfect ambience for relaxation or innovation depending on the mood. Join us on the visual exploration where creativity knows no bounds and discover the endless potential for elevating your bedroom into a heaven of style and comfort. Marvel of the artful details that adorn these spaces, from carefully curated decor essence to thoughtfully chosen textiles that add a touch of luxury. Explore how the interplay of textures, patterns, and color palettes contributes to the overall visual harmony with these top 30 bedroom concepts. Unlock a world where innovation needs conciseness, inviting you to reimagine and regenerate and personal retreat. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.